Welcome back. When it comes to teaching kids about money, the sooner you get the conversation going, the better. And joining us with tips for you and your family is Amanda McCarty with Telcoe Federal Credit Union. Welcome to you.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Thanks for being here. You know, this is a conversation that a lot of parents may not think about, but they do need to start thinking about it, right?
Yes,
well,
definitely.
we're giving parents some tips today about saving, spending responsibly, and a lot of other things. So first of all, you say start good savings habits at an early age.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's talk about what you brought today and sort of visualizing that for kids, because they learn a lot better if they have something that they can see.
Yes. A good way to help your children save is making a visual. So if you give them a monthly allowance, if you can get a clear jar, 3 different labels, label 1 as donate, which makes it very interactive. If they're saving for the Humane Society, they can actually see where that money's going to help. We have a small one labeled spend to not encourage their spending so much, more so they can save, as well as our save right here. So if they want to save for a Disney trip, toys, that makes them aware of how much they are able to save. They can see it adding up, and it's very interactive.
And a lot of kids have piggy banks, but they can't actually see all that they have in there. So this is a great idea, and adding the other jars to it as well. Next, you say to include your kids in financial discussions.
Yes.
Talk about that a little bit.
If you are shopping at the grocery store for monthly budgets, monthly groceries, if you can show them a receipt to let them know what is going towards the bills, what you're able to save, you're able to include them and let them really know what all is going towards it.
And it's also good to set limits. What kind of limits are we talking about?
Limits would be a good one for if you're going out to eat. Don't eat out so much every month. Let them know that you are able to save as well towards their education. It's all about saving the money in the house.
Right. We talked about involving kids in the financial discussions, but you also say it's good to involve them in the financial decisions. Talk about that a little bit.
Financial decisions would be if you give them $5 and they want to put it towards a toy, let them really make that decision, encourage them to save it, but if they do want to splurge that one time and get that toy, they're more than welcome to, but we do really encourage them to save towards their education, towards college, towards the things that are really going to add up in the near future.
Right, and then be there for guidance and support?
Yes, most definitely. That is the #1 rule that helps kids these days actually save.
Right. Do you guys at Telcoe Federal Credit Union have accounts that kids can actually open up?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. This week during Youth Week, we're having activities in all of our branches to encourage the kids to save. We have our coloring contest. I brought our coloring sheet in case. Free youth accounts for all of our members that are eligible. We also have a certificate special too if kids are interested. So we have a lot of great activities to help them and encourage them save.
Sure. Yes, good to get them started at an early age. Thanks so much, Amanda, for coming on today. We appreciate it.